Hi there, you're now watching Chinese with LTL, and I'm Mavis from Talk Mandarin with Mavis. What's your name? Where are you from? When did you start learning Chinese? Why did you want to learn Chinese? Who do you speak Chinese with? Today we're going to learn the 5 W's: who, what, where, and why in Mandarin Chinese. So you can form questions in your daily conversations because almost every question you ask will begin with one of these. Let's dive in. 谁? 谁 means who. 你是谁? Who are you? 你 means you. 是 is the to be verb. 谁 is who. 你是谁? You are who is the grammatical structure in Mandarin Chinese to ask, who are you? Similar to how who are you may sound in English depending on the circumstance, it may sound a little rude to ask, 你是谁? So if you've just met someone new and wanted to ask who that person is, you can say, 请问你是哪位? 请问 can be translated as excuse me and is a polite and recommended way to initiate a question. 你 means you, 是 is the to be verb, 哪位 is the polite usage of who. 你是哪位 means who are you in a much more polite tone. When someone's knocking on the door and you want to ask who's this, you can say 请问是谁 or 请问是哪位. 请问 means excuse me, and both 是谁 and 是哪位 would translate to who's this. 什么? 什么 means what. 这是什么? What is this? 这 means this. 是 is the to be verb. 什么 means what. 这是什么? This is what is the grammatical structure in Mandarin Chinese to ask, what's this? You can use 什么 to ask a variety of questions. For example, 你喜欢吃什么? What do you like to eat? 你 means you. 喜欢 is to like. 吃 is to eat. 什么 is what. 你喜欢吃什么? You like to eat what is the grammatical structure in Mandarin Chinese to ask, what do you like to eat? 什么时候? 什么时候 means when. 你生日是什么时候? When is your birthday? 你 means you or your in this case. 生日 means birthday. 是 is the to be verb. 什么时候 is when. 你生日是什么时候? Your birthday is when is the grammatical structure in Mandarin Chinese to ask, when is your birthday? Another example is 你什么时候出门? When are you going out? 你 means you. 什么时候 means when. 出门 means to go out. 你什么时候出门 means when are you going out? 哪里? 哪里 means where. 你住哪里? Where do you live? 你 means you. 住 means to live. 哪里 is where. 你住哪里? You live where is the grammatical structure in Mandarin Chinese to ask, where do you live? Another example would be 你要去哪里? Where are you going? 你 means you. 要去 means to be going to. 哪里 is where. 你要去哪里? You going where is the grammatical structure in Mandarin Chinese to ask, where are you going? 为什么? 为什么 means why. 你为什么没去上班? Why didn't you go to work? 你 means you. 为什么 is why. 没去 means to not go to. 上班 is to work. 你为什么没去上班 means why didn't you go to work? 你为什么生气? Why are you angry? 你 means you. 为什么 is why. 生气 means angry. 你为什么生气? You why angry is the grammatical structure in Mandarin Chinese to ask, why are you angry? If you're a curious person, 为什么 is likely to be a word that you use to start a conversation pretty often. Now you can start asking all sorts of questions using these 5 W's in Mandarin Chinese. If you're looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese, make sure you check out the links in the description box or go to ltl-school.com for more information. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!